Hey my loves, welcome back to another video. It is of course your girl Moya with Baddies in the Bag, and in today's video we are going to be stuffing our bills binder. Now since November has started, I haven't stuffed bills or I haven't did any cash stuffing videos. I've been so busy with getting everything ready for the Black Friday sale and packing orders and remaking stuff that's sold out and everything else. I haven't gotten a chance to record any videos or anything, or like, you know, cash stuff. We're going to be stuffing whatever we made since November started from our clients, and we're going to be stuffing that into our bills binder today. I have to say this month has been a little bit slower than last month. I have to say, I think it's because of the Black Friday sale and everything. No one's really going anywhere. I think people are just, you know, putting up their money to, you know, shop for Black Friday. So before we actually get into this video, I want to go ahead and read a positive quote for you guys, as I always do. Today's positive quote: stay focused because you totally got this. And girl, stay focused, stay focused. I was thinking about doing like a little motivational and like mental health, self-care type of videos, probably like twice for the month. I'm going to see if I can, you know, put it together and organize it a little bit more and then get started with that, because I feel like we all need a little motivation every now and then, and sometimes you never know what people are going through, and if you can say words or, you know, you can make someone feel better in life, why not? That's how I always look at life. Let's see how much cash we have, because to be honest, me myself don't know. So let's see. I've just been making the cash and just been putting it into my little bank bag, so I don't even know how much I made so far, or none of that information. I don't know. So let's count the cash and see how much cash we have. Okay, so we have 100, 1 2 3 4 5, 200, 1 2 3 4 5, 300, 1 2 3 4 5, 400, 1 2 3 4 5, 510, 20, 30, 40, 55. So we have $555 to stuff inside of bills. Let's get that going. The only stuffing we're doing today is bills. So we're gonna jump into our planner. I haven't gotten a chance to do anything. When I say anything, I mean absolutely nothing. We're gonna have to fill out this calendar another time. Let's just jump into our weekly budget for the month of November. So November 2023. And this is what, week 3? I think this is week 3. For income, we have makeup and lashes, and we're gonna put 555. And then we're gonna do total 555. And let us see where in bills we're gonna put our 555. I like to put majority towards rent for some reason. So let's write down our bills. We have rent, utilities, phone, car payment, our insurance, subscriptions, and self-lender. So those are the bills that we have. I like to, let's start off with probably 300 in rent. Let us put 100 towards car payment, because that's really, that comes up first. So we're gonna put 100 in car payment, 60 in phone bill, that's half the phone bill. We're gonna do half the utilities, which is, let's do 35. We have 60 remaining. We can put all of self-lender. And then we have 25. Let's put the 25 towards subscriptions. And that's what we're gonna do with our $555 that we're going to be getting ready for bills. So summary total, we have, we're not doing any savings, sinking funds, nor high priority stuffing today. We're only doing bills. So the summary is 555, and the amount for cash stuffing is 555. So this is what we got so far. 100. We have all 20s here, and we have 10s, and we have 1 5. 555. Inside of rent, we're putting 300. So let's take 100. 1, 2, 3. Whoopsie. 4, 5. That's 200. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 300. So we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So rent 300. Car insurance, we're not putting anything for this stuffing. Car payments, we're putting $100. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. For phone bill, we're putting 60 bucks. That's the last of our 20s. For utilities, 35, 10, 20, 35. That's half the utilities. For subscriptions, we're putting 25, but we need change. We're gonna need some 5s. Okay, so for subscriptions, we're adding 25. So let's do 10, 20, 5. And then for self-lender, we're adding $35, which should be what's left, 35. Okay, so we still have a long way to go on rent, even though the month is almost ending. We're going to have to see how that's going to go. We're gonna have faith and we're gonna go with God and we're gonna manifest as we always do to make sure that we can reach our goal by the end of the month. So that's basically it for the bill stuffing. So we have stuffed our bills. If my makeup and lashes doesn't cover what it needs to cover, y'all know I have my side business. So I can definitely jump on my side business and get into that cash, or I have cash in emergency, or whatever else that I have to take that cash from. That's basically what's gonna happen. That's not going to happen. We're manifesting that it doesn't, and it's not. So we're gonna stay positive and we're going to make this money before November ends so we can get all our bills paid, so we don't have to jump into anything else. But thank y'all so much for watching this video. It's always my pleasure to come on here and present these videos to y'all, and thank y'all for 6K, and I will see y'all in the next video.